Hello, so here's a short video how to assemble your kite. So you take it out of your bag. It's pretty cool with these colors. So the top, the spars are fixed on the top, so you should always leave it in the pockets. Oops. Okay, so now while we cross them, what we have to do, you can come closer, there is this bungee, so you put it through this little hole here, like this, yeah. And then the bungee goes on the top of the knot. And the same thing on the other side. So the bungee, the little hole. Okay. This goes that way, it's for the tail. And the bungee goes like this. So maybe you can show it. Yeah. Come closer. So it's how it looks like when it's fixed. And the top ones, they stay here as the bridle is also attached to the spar. Right, so now the tail. Okay, so with the tail, we just make the simple knot like this. And attach the tail on both sides. Where's the other sides? Here. Okay, so you make that knot. Put the knot here through and hold it tight. Okay, so now it's nearly ready. I'll just get the line. So we have no wind conditions here, so let's see how it goes with no wind. I'll need to run. The wind is coming from which direction? There? Okay, there's hardly any wind. Let's see. Okay, enjoy!